Okay. So for today, we are going to go through magnets. I think you learned magnets in school? Yes? Okay. Great. Um, Let me just make it bigger. Okay, some schools learn it in P3, some schools learn it in P4. And I think from this year's P3 batch onwards, magnets is always done in primary 3. Yeah. Okay. But for you, it's okay. I mean, like I said, we can't possibly cater to all students from all schools. So we do have a standard curriculum to follow. So as of now, we're going to cover magnets. And I think it's going to be over a span of about 3 weeks or 4 weeks that we're going to cover magnets. Okay. So today is the start. That's why it's called Magnets 1. Okay. So maybe, I don't think I need to go through house rules, right? I think I've said that the previous time when you were with us for English. So basically, this one, it's just, yeah. Do you need me to go through this? No? Okay, I think you know what to do. Actually, you did very well. And you even have your Chinese name. All I ask is for students to just type their real name, but you have your Chinese name there as well. Wow. Okay, so let's just do a quick recap since you said that you've learned magnets. Today you have a science exams. How was it? Are you not able to speak through the speaker? No? I can. Oh, yeah. Then why don't you speak through the speaker? It's just two of us. It's quite easy, is it? Okay. What were you tested on? Which topic? Oh, animals? Wait a minute. Life cycles, is it? Diversity in animals, is it? Okay, life cycles, yeah. Okay, interesting. Usually diversity is covered in primary 3, but life cycle is covered in primary 4. But from this year's batch onwards, life cycle is actually a P3 topic. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Anyway, let's just continue. Magnets are special objects that. What objects made of what? Magnets are special objects that pull. Another word for pull is starts with letter A.
Attract, attract,
AT.
attract,
ATT. Yes, correct. Okay. So magnets are special objects that pull or attract objects that are made of MM. Mm-hmm. Magnetic materials. Yeah. Such as what and what? Iron and steel. Okay. I'll give you okay, why is it not all metals? Because, okay, have you heard of this acronym before? School is not cool. School is not cool basically is steel, iron, nickel, cobalt. School is not cool. Okay, so these are the four. Oh, I think money is here. Hold on a second. Hi, money.
Hi.
Oh, I can't hear you.
Hi.
No, we can't. I think, is there something wrong with your speaker? Nicole, can you hear money?
Hello? Hello?
No,
I can hear
can't hear you.
you. Can you hear me, Nicole? Yes.
Oh, okay. Yeah, now it works, huh? That's weird. Okay, right. Money, so how was it? Have you done your science WA this week?
Yes.
How was it?
A bit hard.
It's hard. Oh no.
Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
Just a little bit. Okay. So we were just covering, actually it's our first lesson on magnets today. Okay, we're gonna start on magnets.
Nicole's joining from today onwards.
I'm not sure whether she's joining us from today onwards. She joined us on Thursday for our science lesson.
No,
Remember?
Thursday's English. Thursday's
Oh,
English.
sorry, yeah, she joined us on Thursday for the English lesson. So today, yeah. Do you know her? You know her beforehand, is it? Or
We met each other on the first tutorial.
for English, right?
Yeah.
Ah, okay, you still remember her. You've got good memory then. Okay. Right. So we were just saying, okay, some of you might have done magnet, some of you might not have been introduced to this topic, but like I said, we have our standard curriculum to follow. So we will be starting on magnets starting today, and it will be over a span of about maybe 3 to 4 weeks. Okay, then we're going to cover magnets, yeah? So we were just covering that magnets are special objects that pull. Pull means they attract. Objects made of magnetic materials, such as your school is not cool, right? School is not cool basically stands for steel, iron, nickel, and cobalt. Okay, but then again, I just want to highlight, actually, nickel and cobalt are not really in your syllabus, but doesn't mean you don't know. I think it's still good to know additional information. Okay, your syllabus will be focusing on only steel and iron. You're not expected to know nickel and cobalt. Okay, but I think it's still good to know. Yeah. Okay, so over here, a magnet can what? Money, yes.
Attract.
Very good.
I
Okay,
learned
number
this
2, Nicole, you want to try? A magnet has how many poles? 2. Okay, Nicole. Yeah, I will have to erase your annotation because after that, it will not be captured also. Yeah? Okay, next one. A freely suspended magnet points in the what direction? Money.
north south.
Very good. North hyphen south. Okay, meaning it will always point to the true north, the north-south direction. Okay, a magnet can attract and what another magnet? Nicole.
Repel.
Very good. Only magnets repel magnets. So when two things repel each other, it has to be magnets. They have to be magnets. Okay. Next one, the attraction of the magnet is the what at these two poles? Money?
And
No. Is the
start. Strong.
is
Strongest.
the strong. Very good. It's the strongest. Yeah, the attraction of the magnet is the strongest. It's always the strongest at its two poles. Okay, if it's the middle of the magnet, it's not as strong. Yeah. Okay, now let's have a look at all the questions first. Yes, Money.
I just wanted to say the answer for this.
Oh, okay. This one is quite easy, right? Which one can be attracted by magnet?
A.
Yeah,
Obviously.
this one is straightforward, easy question. Okay, because we know that the school is not cool. Steel, iron, nickel, cobalt. Even though aluminium is a metal, but it is not, okay, it is a metal, but not a magnetic material. The magnetic material at your school is not cool. Okay, so it cannot be attracted by a magnet. Of course, plastic and rubber can't as well. Okay, question 2. 3 iron rods are made into electromagnets using the setups below. Which of the following shows the arrangement of the rods in the descending order of their magnetic strength? Yes, Mani.
B, ZXY.
ZXY. Why is it that Z is the strongest?
The reason is, firstly, it has 2 batteries, and secondly, the more amount of coil you around it, the more stronger it becomes.
Yes, the more number of coils around the magnetic material
Makes it the strongest. Makes it stronger.
Yeah, the stronger the electromagnet. So once it has been magnetized, it is called an electromagnet. Before it's magnetized, it has to be a magnetic material. Because if you want to make something into an electromagnet, you have to use a magnetic material. And actually, the battery is not so much of an issue because all of them have 2 batteries. Okay, yeah, so it's B. Very good. Okay, Nicole? Yeah, okay. Now, question 3. Casper tried to magnetize a steel nail using the stroke method. This is another way to make a temporary magnet, yeah? In the direction as shown. After stroking for 15 times, he used the nail to attract some steel pins. 3 pins were attracted. He repeated the experiment with a similar steel nail. What should he do if he wanted to attract more than 3 pins? Yes, Manu.
Stroke the steel nail more than 15 times.
Very good. Okay. Now, this is what we call the stroking method. Right? Stroking method means you use a magnet to stroke a magnetic material. Eventually, the magnetic material can become a temporary magnet. Okay. So, which pole will this be then? Because this is north, right? So, north is touching A first. So, it's just like if I tell you, you're so clever, so clever, so clever, then naturally you will become clever, right? Because you will, it's like a Pygmalion effect. If I tell you you are clever, you will think that you're clever. Oh, you have a magnet. You can try to magnetize like your
My
paper.
teacher gave these to us like last year. I kept them in this pouch because they're too big. I also have something to show.
Why is it that your teacher give you magnets? So nice. Oh, they even give you a compass.
Compass, a magnet.
Was it supposed to be like a workshop or something?
No, it was part of the lesson. Like every time we do like learn a new science lesson, we get like materials and like this. And these ones are home kits, so we can keep them and learn more.
But the thing is that who's paying for it? Like your teacher?
Oh, school buy it for us. The entire level, everyone gets it. All P3s got last
That's
year.
very nice. Does it happen to you also, Nicole? Does it happen in your school?
My school, yes, it does.
Yeah, let me just have a look at. Oh, Nicole's message. No, Nicole says no. Yeah. So I think doesn't mean all schools do that, you know. I think it's very nice of your school to do that, Money. Yeah. Sorry, Money, which school are you from again?
Horizon, I'm wearing the PE attire now.
Horizon, is it?
Yes, I'm wearing the uniform now.
Yeah, I can tell. Just came back from school, huh?
Yeah, from a learning journey.
Nicole, which school are you from? Nicole said that they only lend it to you, is it? Your school?
No, we get to keep them.
Yeah, but Nicole's school, oh, Qihua. Yeah, they only allow them to borrow and then they have to return. And I think if you all were to spoil it, then you probably have to pay for it, right?
Huh?
It's at Woodlands. Okay, Qihua is at Woodlands. I suppose Horizon is somewhere in Singapore.